Another thing Apple did recently, they updated some emoji, including the one that a lot of people sent me or I saw being talked about. The syringe changed. I don't know if you noticed this, but the previous syringe had the blood involved. It was blood inside the syringe and then 2 drops from the tip of the point.
Yeah, that's very specific.
Which is sort of more inclined towards...
surgical?
No, like having blood taken, having blood drawn.
Yeah.
Right, for a blood test.
Uh-huh.
The new one, you can tell it's a more generic. When you have the blood taken out, now you're thinking more injection. You see, one is extraction, the other's injection.
Yeah. Huh, I didn't really notice that.
And the reason being, the speculation here is that by going with the more generic one, it can be used for more functions as an emoji, because now you can talk about vaccines. Because everyone's talking about COVID vaccines. And the other syringe really doesn't indicate that you're receiving a vaccine. Subtle stuff, but
yeah,
that seems to be the motivation there. Now, less colorful, maybe less personality in the new one that we're looking at here, but you kind of understand where they're coming from, I suppose. They also added other stuff. More skin tones, a bearded man, and also a bearded woman.
Is there emoji for that?
Is that right? I don't know if it's in this article, but apparently, according to the headline, you've got all kinds of beard options, which I need this type of stuff. Will.
Yeah.
I need this type of stuff.